Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva and how you could create beautiful designs for your blog. You could also use it for social media platform or make any type of graphics that you might need for your business. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So let's go ahead and dive into the Canva tutorial. So Canva is free to join, and they also have a paid version of Canva that allows you to do a little bit more. That's the one that I currently use. Now, the free one is sufficient enough for you to get started and see if it's something that you would like to start using. Now, Canva is very friendly to use. It's user friendly. So when you go into Canva, there's no technical requirement. There's not like a learning curve. And it's simple as click and drag. It's that simple. And they have so many options of what you could do. You could create a design. So if you need a website template, if you need a Facebook post, an Instagram post, if you need YouTube art, if you need to do a YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover, as you can see, these are all the different options. Social media, if you have to do some sort of presentation, if you want to make a poster, a flyer, a blog banner, a card, and the list keeps going and going from Twitter to Pinterest to Tumblr to making a document letter that you might need to resume, yearbook, letterhead, and etc. So they have so many different options, and all you have to do is pretty much go through here and see what do you need. If you want a business card, you're looking to do a logo, did you want to do like a menu for your business? It just depends on what you're looking to do. So they have a lot of options, and it's really simple to use. Let's say I wanted to do an Instagram post, is already optimized to fit Instagram. So as you probably know already, when you use social media platforms, whether you're using Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Instagram, they all have their size that you need to optimize your photos for. So the nice thing with Canva is already comes optimized for that specific platform. And once you come in here, you could choose from any of the pre-made templates. Majority of them are free, and some you do have to pay. You could use any of these templates. You could use any of their photos to replace the photo if you don't like it. Some are free and some you do have to pay. You could do elements. So elements are basically, you could put shapes in there. You could put lines. You could put stickers. You could even put like Instagram, their logo if you needed to. You could do this type of logo here as well. And you could look up pretty much any social media platform that you like. As you can see, these are free. So it's very simple to use. And these are all the different options that you have for little icons that you could use. Text will be just basically your text. You could use these that are pre-made. So you could have like different variations on fonts, or you could come up here and just click and add the text yourself if you like. And it's just really nice. These are background colors that you could add to your actual listing if you like. And if you look down here, these are uploads. So this is anything that you upload directly to you. So you could upload any artwork that you currently have, any clip art. I sell a lot of printables, so I use the clip art. And you could upload it here and then just drag it to the actual design that you want. And folders are basically all of your designs. You could actually create folders already of pre-made templates that maybe you're just gonna edit for one time. I have my Instagram pre-made template and my YouTube one that all I do is go back, edit the text, edit the photo, and it's already pre-made and saved. So this is a nice feature to have, and you could share this if you have more than one person that helps you. If you run a small business and you have another person that helps you with your business, you could share this type of folders with them so that way they have access to the work as well. So it's just really nice. all the things that you could do. And I'll give you an idea. Let's say I wanted to do the Instagram post. All I have to do is pretty much look for something that works within my niche. Maybe I wanted to use, let's say this one here. You click on it, and all you have to do is click here for text. I'm going to delete what it has right now, and I'm just going to say I'm going to do a thank you post for Instagram for my followers. So I'm going to say here, thank you. And then you could just click here, kind of drag it to make everything fit. You could come here to kind of center it if you have to. So I'm going to highlight all of it to kind of center it. So right now I want to center right there. You could just drag it a little bit to the left. Boom. If I want to change the color of the font, I could highlight it here and just go here, and I could change it. These are my brand colors, so I already have them saved. You could pick from any colors that you want. So I'm going to do the pink one. I'm going to put an exclamation point. I'm going to drag it so it could go up there. Perfect. And then I'm going to put my branding. So I'm going to put my website. And I'm going to put here, yay, reached 48,000. Yay, thanks for my new, let's say thanks for my new followers. Boom. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to make this smaller. As you can see, it's so simple to use. And I'm just doing this to kind of show you guys how simple it is. And then I'm going to drag this. Oops. I'm going to drag it over here. And I'm going to go ahead and break it apart. Center it as well. So I'm going to center it. And I'm going to drag it to right on top of this. And there we go. But as you can see, it's very simple to use. And once you create the Instagram template or whatever you were working on, all you do is pretty much download it. You could download it with a transparent background if you want, but you just download it and it automatically saves to your computer. It takes a few seconds to do, and then you use it for your Instagram. But it's very, very simple to do. And you could do this with any type of file. If I want to create something from scratch, let's say I didn't want to use this template, I could just go ahead and delete everything, or I could just create a new design. So let's create a new one to kind of give you an idea of how you could create a design. So I'm gonna do Instagram. So Instagram is 1080 by 1080 pixel, and I'm just gonna say I'm gonna do one from a actual post that I did. So as you can see, all I'm doing is dragging my photo, and this is a new feature that Instagram has that I did a video on, and I wanted to promote it on my Instagram account. So I did that. Okay, so I'm gonna, oops, okay, there you go. It froze on me, sorry about that. And then I'm gonna put text up here, so that way you guys can see how simple it is to create something from scratch. New video. And this is how my Instagram templates are usually done. So I put that up here so it could stand out. And then I'm going to do elements. Here you could pretty much type in anything that you're looking for. So I'm going to type in error. And I'm going to put this arrow here. Oops, I did two. I'm going to put the arrow black. And I'm going to go smaller. And then I'm talking about this feature here is called join chat. So that's why I'm putting an arrow. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add text to this. And I'm going to use, let's see if I can use one of these here that I like. So let's do this one. I'm going to kind of put it. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this photo kind of to the side so I could drag this, and that way I don't have any problems dragging it. So I'm going to put here new chat feature. Use the feature is called join chat. Use join chat to increase leads. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little bit smaller here. And boom. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to elements, look up Instagram. I'm going to put like the little logo. So here we go. I'm going to make it smaller. I did two by mistake. And I'm going to put here. And then I'm going to put text around this. So I'm going to say new. And I'm going to put here Instagram. And I'm going to put the text again. I'm going to say update. And I'm going to put the text here. And I'm going to measure it to make sure that it fits and it's properly centered. So there we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my branding, which is my website. Oh, you know what? I usually do this instead. So I'm going to go to elements. I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to put this little block here, and I'm going to make it smaller and like make it more of like a little line. I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to change the color to my branding color. So I'm going to do the pink one, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger right there, and I'm going to add text on top of it. So I'm going to drag this here, and I'm going to put nancybadijo.com. That's my website. You guys should be doing this for your own business, whether it's an Etsy business or you have your own blog or other business. You should always start branding everything. Then I'm going to take the photo. I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to put this like right here. I'm going to try to size it up so it could fill up the space. And voila, I have an Instagram post that I could share my new video that I just made. So this is how simple it is, not only to do the pre-made templates that Canva gives you, but also to create templates from scratch. But Canva is a great resource for anything that you need to do. As you saw in the beginning, I'm going to go ahead and leave this for now. As you saw in the beginning, these are all the different types of designs that you can make, and it is amazing. It's easy to use. It's already optimized for that specific platform. If you need Pinterest graphic, you click on it, and it gives you all these different options that you could use. And all you have to do is just edit and put your own information on them and use them for your Pinterest account. And you don't have to size them, they're already sized for you. And if you want to change the photo, it's as simple as, uploading the photo of your choice. So let's say I wanted to change this photo of this little girl to this one, I just drag it. It's that simple. So I wanted to show you guys this to kind of inspire you guys to start using Canva, because a lot of times when you want to grow your business, whether you have an Etsy store or you have a blog or you want to grow your online presence on Pinterest or even on Instagram, it's all about visuals. And if your photos look crappy or they don't look the best, then you're not going to get new followers. And also it's also about branding. So making sure that whenever you post something, it's very similar. It has a cohesive look and the same set of fonts, the same set of colors. But with Canva, they make it easy for you to be able to brand yourself as a company, as well as create beautiful designs for your business that are cohesive across all different platforms. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful and it made you look at Canva in a different way. If you have any questions about Canva or any other tutorials you would like me to work on, make sure that you leave a comment below. And guys, please show me some love by liking this video. I have added 2 videos on the sidebar right now that I think are going to be great resources for you in making beautiful designs in Canva and making money from them. So go ahead and check